Unit 3. This is Minnie. Phonics. Letter T. Hello, students. I'm Renee from TIionng123.com. This is the phonics lesson of English Grade 3. I am very glad to be here with you. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the letter T. This is the letter T. The letter T makes the T sound. T. Can you say T? Good. Let's say it together. T, T, T. Here are some words that have the letter T, T sound. Tony begins with the letter T. T, T, Tony. Peter has the letter T in the middle. T, T, Peter. That has the letter T at the end of the word. T, T, that. Now, take your turn to practice the words. Tony, Tony. Peter, Peter. That, that. Let's chant. Here we go. Is that Tony, Tony? Yes, it is. It's Tony. Is that Timmy, Timmy? No, it isn't. It's Peter. Now let's sing again. Is that Tony, Tony? Yes, it is. It's Tony. Is that Timmy, Timmy? No, it isn't. It's Peter. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.